When starting a new drawing in DraftSight, you usually begin with a template. By clicking on New, DraftSight defaults to the default template locations. During the installation, it also plays some blank default ones based on the industry standard that you want to follow. In this case, we will use this one here. By using that one, I begin a new drawing with the settings that I have saved from that template. As you can see, my format already comes in saved on my sheet in Paperspace. Many people would rather do that in model space, but if you see, my model space is empty. I chose to keep my title block on my Paperspace. Other things that are saved here are any type of text strings that you place inside of your format, to build your title block, any types of attributes and texts like that. You can edit them by just double clicking on them and using the format toolbar to make your changes. Other things that are saved within your template are layers. What layers do you want predefined in every drawing as a standard? Here you can create those layers, give them their names, their colors, their line styles, line weights, printability, visibility, and things like that. Other items that you can save to your template are your drawing settings. How do you want it to behave? What parameters do you want your line scales to be? How big do you want your boundary? Your display, do you want to display your tabs down here for the sheet and the model space? You also are able to specify the unit system. How do you want your angles to be measured? Do you want them to go clockwise or counterclockwise? You can set that here. The precision, as well as 2 decimal places or more, is set here. Block units format here, this is also important. You have a host of other units that you can select as your default units for your drawing. Do you want to have coordinates already defined, coordinate systems, other things such as default views, your drawing scales? These are your industry standards that come out of the box. There are some that you can select already predefined. It also allows you to add your own scale to this list, as well as reset it back to default. You can rearrange with the order you want them to show in here, and you can also define standards and set that standard, so that way whenever during a creation of a drawing there's a flag or an alert that pops up whenever there's a violation of your standards. So that's all set here in your template.